Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a trip down under to learn some crazy facts about Australia. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our fun geography facts. And if you have a friend who loves all things Australia, then make sure to send them this video because it is full of awesome information that will blow their mind. Alright, let's get started. And number 10, did you know that Australia has an entire day dedicated to the weird and wonderful animals that live there? That's right, in Australia, it is illegal to pick up a baby kangaroo without its mother's permission. One of the most dangerous animals in the country is the box jellyfish. This creature is known to have a venom that can kill a human in minutes. Did you know that Australia has experienced some devastating wildfires in recent years? In fact, in 2019 and 2020, Australia experienced the worst wildfires in recorded history. This strange-looking reptile has spines all over its body and can change color to camouflage itself in its surroundings. This makes it one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Did you know that the country is home to a species of fish that can walk on land? It is called a mudskipper, and it is able to move around on land thanks to its unique pectoral fins, which allow it to support its weight and slither along like a snake. These fish typically live in shallow waters and are often found in brackish environments where fresh water and seawater mix. The mudskipper's ability to walk on land allows it to travel between different water sources and forage for food. It can also use its fins to climb over obstacles such as rocks and vegetation, giving it access to areas that other fish cannot reach. The Great Barrier Reef is a popular destination for tourists who come to see its stunning beauty and diversity of marine life. We hope you enjoyed learning all about this unique and fascinating country. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Snorkeling and scuba diving are popular activities in the area, allowing visitors to get up close and personal with some of the most amazing creatures in the world. However, the Great Barrier Reef is facing threats such as climate change and pollution, which are causing coral bleaching and other damage to the ecosystem. It is important to raise awareness about these issues and take action to protect this precious natural resource for future generations. Another bizarre creature found in Australia is the witchetty grub. This large insect is a type of larva that lives in the roots of acacia trees. People in Australia sometimes eat witchetty grubs, which are high in protein and have a nutty flavor. Despite their unique appearance, these creatures play an important role in the Australian ecosystem. These fires burned over 46 million acres of land and killed or displaced an estimated 3 billion animals. The fires were so intense that they even created their own weather patterns and smoke that could be seen from space. This event had a profound impact on the environment, economy, and people of Australia. But despite the devastation, Australians have shown incredible resilience in the face of adversity. They have come together to help each other and rebuild their communities and protect their wildlife. The box jellyfish is found in coastal waters around Australia, and its sting is said to be excruciatingly painful. Did you know that in Australia, Christmas is celebrated in the middle of summer? That's right. In December, Australians enjoy warm weather and summery Christmas Day, with temperatures often reaching over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. While it may be different from the snowy Christmas scenes depicted in movies, Australians still embrace the holiday spirit. They decorate their homes with Christmas trees, exchange gifts, and enjoy traditional meals. However, there are some unique aspects to Australian Christmas celebrations. For example, people often enjoy seafood, and Christmas Day is a popular time for barbecues and outdoor gatherings. Additionally, many Australians take the opportunity to go camping and explore the great outdoors during the Christmas holidays. Another venomous creature found in Australia is the inland taipan. This snake is highly venomous and is considered to be one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Its venom can cause paralysis and internal bleeding, which can be fatal to humans. Despite these dangers, people still go surfing, swimming, and hiking in Australia. It is important to remember that Australia's wildlife is a vital part of the ecosystem and should be respected. This law was put in place to protect the vulnerable young animals, known as joeys, from harm. Joeys are born blind, deaf, and without fur, making them extremely fragile. If a person were to pick one up without the mother's consent, they could easily injure or even kill the animal. And believe me, an angry kangaroo mother is not something you want to mess with. They are known to attack anyone who gets too close to their babies. Well, on October every year, Australians celebrate Weird and Wonderful Animals Day. This special day aims to educate people about the unique wildlife in Australia. It also raises awareness about the threats these animals face and encourages conservation efforts. That's right, the Speaker of the House in Australia is not allowed to talk during debates or make any statements on the floor of the Parliament. The tradition dates back to 1901, when the first Speaker of the Commonwealth of Australia, Sir John Forrest, was appointed. According to the rules of the Parliament, the Speaker is not allowed to speak unless in the case of a division, or to put questions to the House, or to name a member for a breach of order. Instead, the Speaker communicates with other members of Parliament through nonverbal cues such as hand gestures and facial expressions. This rule ensures that the Speaker remains impartial and does not show favoritism towards any particular political party. It's a chance for Australians to appreciate the amazing creatures that share their country. Some of the animals that are celebrated on this day include the, which is a spiny egg-laying mammal, the wombat, which is a small furry animal that can only walk backwards, and the platypus, which is one of only 2 types of mammals in the world that lay eggs. Number 9. Now for those of you who love learning about Australian animals, here's a fact that might surprise you. Even though Australia is a huge country, it's actually home to only 3 species of primates. These are the grey short-tailed opossums, the red-necked opossums, and the brown opossum. In fact, the only non-human primates found in mainland Australia are the black-handed spider monkey and the grey-headed flying fly, also known as the squirrel glider. But wait, you might be thinking, how can Australia have so few primates when it's such a big country? Well, it turns out that Australia's isolation from other continents played a major role in this. You see, Australia has been separated from the rest of the world for millions of years, which meant that the ancestors of modern Australian primates had to evolve in isolation. This lack of contact with other primate populations resulted in the limited number of species we see today. However, Australia's isolation also led to the development of some very unique and fascinating animals. So, while there may not be many primates in Australia, the country is home to a wide variety of other strange and wonderful creatures. No, did you know that if you accidentally pick up a baby kangaroo in Australia, you could go to jail for 5 years? Number 7. Did you know that Australia is home to some incredibly venomous creatures? No. 6. Now for a little lighthearted fun. Did you know that in Australia, the Speaker of the House is not allowed to speak? No. 5. Alright, now let's move on to something serious. Number 4. Now let's talk about something a little more cheerful. Did you know that Australia is home to some truly bizarre creatures? Take for example, the thorny devil. Number 2. Did you know that the Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is home to over 1,500 species of fish and 400 types of coral? No. 1. Before we wrap up, let's leave you with one last surprising fact about Australia. Alright, well that wraps up our list of crazy facts about Australia.